All right, welcome. In this video, we're going to look at the code necessary to create repeating background images across an X, Y, X and Y, or neither X and Y axis. The code that we'll start with, some very basic HTML. We have a header 1, header 2s, and after each header 2, we have a div with a unique ID, identifying it as example 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the CSS, we can group our selectors together to apply a common height and width to all of our selectors. And we might also want to add a common border to all of them so that we could see where the width and height of it ends. So if we go back and look at our code again, see that now we have squares around each of them with this border. Makes it a bit easier to see exactly that this is X, Y, repeating all and not repeating at all. So then we come down and we set up the code for each specific example. So again, in CSS, if we have an ID in HTML, that corresponds to the hashtag or # in our CSS. Set up our background, default white color, and we've linked to our images folder and grabbed our tiling pink image. What's new here is that at the end we're going to add one more property and say repeat X, repeat Y, repeat, or no repeat. And we could see that these 4 different states, repeat X, repeat Y, repeat, and no repeat, apply to the code on this page that says to repeat X, repeat Y, repeat all of them, and no repeating at all. So there you have it, the basic CSS that you add to your code to control the repeating of a background image.